What's up guys? Welcome back for another scope cam video. Today we're at STRÅSSA, bataljevent, Sweden. As you can see here, I'm rocking with Dark Fox and his SSG-24.
Jag ser ingen färg på den.
And sometimes you just can't see the color of the arm. Then you have to make that shot. Perhaps it's the enemy.
Jag tog på väskan.
Ja, jag såg.
And this time it was.
Jaha.
As you can see now, I'm in the yellow-blue team. And at the end of the day, me and Dark Fox went to the red team because the yellow and blue team overpowered the red fellas.
Jul kommer.
And of course the red team wins the last game. Of course not, because we're in the team game. If you have sensitive ears, you shouldn't be in the containers because the burst power when the BBs hit the metal is just, it's loud. It's pretty loud. It's really loud actually.
Ja, jag tänkte precis säga det. Jag tror att de håller på att flanka oss.
Jag sköt en bakom bilen.
Ja.
Jag flyttar fram en container. Han är i dörren där nu.
Ja, jag ser den. Stod han på armbågen.
9! Lägga bort! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
As you can see, it was pretty much snow, and we will have a man down. But yeah, it was pretty much snow, so after the day you just went to the bed and you feel like a little girl crying. No, you don't. But yeah, it was heavy during the day. Go check out Dark Fox on Instagram. And for you Swedish peeps, we have Airsoft Podden, who he and Adept on Airsoft, I think, and Karlsson Hanna have. If you like to listen to some Swedish, go check it out. I think they have the links on their Facebook page, Airsoft Podden. Go check it out. And go follow Dark Fox on Instagram. And his laser shooting SSG-24. Kusa power. what you're gonna see now, it's the person who takes out, I think it was 8 or 9 people with 1 grenade twice. Yeah, he or she did it twice, but you're only gonna see 1 throw because I was too late or too early. No, I was too late. Yeah. But I don't know what I think about it. Like the 3rd floor and throws a grenade down to the ground. I hope no one gets it in the head. I think that could be painful. Maybe. I don't know what the distance may be, but the wind takes the BB in the last seconds.
Jag tog han!
Let's bring some Jacuzzi. The power of the AEP. It's just an awesome pistol during the winter. But the summer, I will still bring my lovely Mark 23.
Fuck yeah.
And of course, you can get your Yakuza at Jmas.se. You can get extended mags for 90 BBs because, trust me, it's fun to make those extra shots. But you didn't see it there, but it was one guy to his left. Hope you liked it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Welcome back. Subscribe, like, and share.